Hi, I am Rahul Shah and I am ready to reveal the only training program you will ever need to build your own Forex millionaire portfolio. Join me at the Lazy Millionaire Summit on 24th January 5 pm. Click on the link in the description to block your free spot.
Dear viewers, welcome to the world of Metaverse. In this video, I am going to introduce you to Metaverse and explore ways of investing in it. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to buy cryptos or NFTs, but by the end of it, we'll explore potential ways to invest in Metaverse through listed companies. So let's begin. Metaverse became a buzzword ever since Facebook rebranded itself to Meta. So what is it all about? You see, the last decade has been all about internet and technology. The real and virtual worlds are merging. We spend most of our time online and are more connected to our friends and families through a virtual medium. And yet, for a lot of us, this still remains a two-dimensional experience. Metaverse, on the other hand, is a digital world in which physical, augmented, and virtual reality, and by the way, all of this comes under extended or mixed reality, come together to offer real-time experiences. Think of being a character in a 3D online video game, immersing into a very real experience with a few conferencing tools and platforms. You could put on a device, it could be a goggles or a headset, and you could enter a 3D world where you may define the rules of the games and could even earn or spend money there. So it would not be an exaggeration to call metaverse the future of the internet. This term has already creeped into individuals' life. For instance, a Tamil Nadu based couple is in news for hosting India's first wedding reception in Metaverse. There will be a virtual venue where the friends and family will be able to join and bless the couple, including the girl's deceased father. Then there are gaming apps like Zepeto, a metaverse platform where you can create your own 3D avatar and can interact with other real participants' avatar. This could seem like science fiction becoming reality. But if you think about it, almost all inventions that are mainstream today and have lost novelty were once a figment of imagination. Be it internet, smartphones, interplanetary travel, and so on. Coming to why metaverse is becoming a buzzword amongst investors these days. Well, as per an industry report, India's augmented and virtual reality market stood at rupees 135 billion in FY20. But with a projected growth of 38% every year, this could grow to 10 times its size by 2027. Worldwide spending on AR and VR, that is augmented and virtual reality, is forecast to reach $160 billion by 2023 from $16.8 billion for 2019. Globally listed companies like Nike are investing millions into the concept. Nike recently bought a company RTFKT that uses gaming engines, NFTs, blockchain technologies, and augmented reality to create its footwear designs and digital artifacts. Now it's easy to find globally listed companies that are riding metaverse. These include all big tech firms like Facebook, Google, Apple, Tencent, Microsoft, and so on. There are platforms like Decentraland where you can buy virtual real estate with virtual currency called Mana that one can buy on global exchanges. Then there is an NFT Metaverse XC Infinity where collective digital pets can be bred and petted. One can play and earn an income. But it's not just about gaming. When it comes to end user applications, it could be infotainment, education tech, retail, manufacturing, media and entertainment, fashion, travel, tourism, media, or healthcare. This theme in few years could become a tangible reality across sectors. Now, there is a long list of Indian startups working on extended reality, augmented, virtual, and mixed reality. When it comes to listed space, sectors that will witness great opportunity with the rise of metaverse will include consumer electronics. These could be smart glasses, eyewears, or headsets, semiconductor companies, handheld devices, IT companies developing immersive or extended reality solutions such as Infosys, Wipro, Tata Elxsi, L&T Tech, Cyient, HCL Tech, Happiest Mind, Kelton Tech, and also companies that will create ICT infrastructure and that will include telecom and 5G ecosystems such as Himachal Futuristic and Tejas Networks. Cybersecurity companies like Subex will also be relevant. And this is where I believe one needs to keep a close watch to avail the opportunity to enter metaverse through listed space. Coming to some specific names that have shown serious intentions to enter metaverse. The first name that comes to my mind is Reliance. In 2020, Reliance Jio had announced smart glasses called Jio Glasses. Jio Glass apparently would use a combination of AR and VR that will help in better video conferencing. The second in my list is Nazara Tech. One of the ways this mobile gaming company generates revenues is by selling in app virtual items representing functional items or feature enhancements to the game players that can be purchased and utilized within the app environment. Nazara Tech has invested in VR gaming firm Insta Sports that is engaged in the business of running sports and virtual reality entertainment zones in India and abroad. Nazara also has a stake in Nodwin, an Indian esports firm that is partnering with other firms for more immersive experiences, and in Next Wave Multimedia, which is actively looking to launch its own non fungible tokens. And then there are some unusual suspects that could potentially ride this wave through optionality. For instance, as per media reports, Hindustan Media Ventures Limited has invested in Worker, a UK and India based SaaS platform that enables teams to work together from anywhere in an immersive virtual workspace. Then there is Triveni Engineering and Industries, conventionally into sugar and allied business and engineering businesses, that has invested in Jet Synthesis, a gaming startup where Flipkart, Sachin Tendulkar, and Adar Poonawalla have invested as well, as per the media reports. The third on this list is Zeltmok Design. It's a listed company that works with startups from high growth sectors that work on AR and VR. In a recent news, Exate, which is a new venture company building a creative hub for artists and avatars who will meet in real life and in the metaverse, it has collaborated with Zeltmok Design and Technology to build Exatem or Exit Metaverse in India to develop and invest in technologies to scale the Exit proposition globally. Now, please note that none of the above names suggest buy, hold, or sell view. This is just an attempt to make you aware of the emerging investing themes and potential beneficiaries that one must keep on the watch list. This is still an evolving theme that needs to be tracked, and this video is just the beginning of the research to be shared. So, do subscribe to Equitymaster YouTube channel to stay tuned and share, like, and comment on the video if you like it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
The way you pick stocks, the way you build your portfolio, and the way you make money in the markets will change radically and immediately. That's my guarantee. Click here to reserve your free spot for the Lazy Millionaire Summit. See you there.